Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Start off by taking a look at our current surface analysis chart here from this morning, and we can see that there's an area of high pressure that is off to our south, and that is going to be the main weather driver for today, and that will bring us a light breeze and plenty of sunshine throughout the day today, with those temperatures rebounding slightly compared to the rather chilly previous days we've seen here on the shore. And then looking ahead, we can also anticipate the dry weather continuing to stick around and holding through Wednesday and into Thursday until we see this high pressure that is overhead begin to push offshore Thursday. And if we take a look at the left-hand side of the screen here, you can see that as that high pressure pushes offshore, make room for a strong low that will pass to our north through the Great Lakes region, and that will drag a cold front through the local area here, and that will be in conjunction with plenty of moisture in which it will be able to tap into, so showers do look to be likely in the late Thursday into especially early Friday morning hours. And then following Friday, we'll then see mostly dry, seasonable weather through the weekend and into early next week as we have the upper level flow begin to flatten out. And then on Saturday, we'll see things a bit cooler with highs in the 40s, and which will be followed by a mild period on Sunday ahead of what will be the next cold front, likely moving through the area, in which temperatures do look to then return back closer to our normal seasonal averages, with no real significant storms expected in the immediate future, that is for the week ahead. Now, taking a look at the 24-hour forecast for the day ahead, we do anticipate seeing mostly sunny skies today, maybe a few clouds mixing in at times, and that will be the theme of the next 24 hours. Temperatures do look to climb into the 40s, the low 40s at that, and drop down into the low 30s this evening. And for our winds, they do look to remain light, turning variable in the later end of our working day today into the early evening hours, and then we'll see a gradual uptick with those winds as we move through the overnight hours and into the early hours of tomorrow morning. We do have green across the board for the next 24 hours, with no real weather-related risks on the immediate horizon. And for the next few days ahead, on Wednesday, we can anticipate cloudy and slightly breezy conditions with a high of 52 and a slight chance of seeing a wind advisory. Wednesday night, partly to mostly cloudy and a low of 36. And then Thursday, cloudy conditions and a high of 58 with greens across the board. However, at the later end of Thursday, as we move into that Thursday evening and Friday morning period, that's when we'll see those rain chances build in and likely the winds increase with that frontal passage as well. Moving on to the 7-day forecast for the week ahead, mostly sunny conditions today with building cloud cover Wednesday and Thursday, with temperatures also on the rise. And then come Thursday night, primarily Friday morning, we see those rain chances along with that cold front moving through. Things should wrap up around midday on Friday, and then we'll see a slight cool off on Saturday with partly to mostly cloudy skies to close out the week ahead, and temperatures generally riding in the 40 to low 50s range to close out that week. Now that is going to conclude the 7-day forecast. We'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief, and hope everyone has a great day today.